Blizzards. The Great White Hurricane. In 1888, a blizzard hit New York. The storm lasted for 3 days. It caused a lot of harm. Many people died. Extreme storms. The United States had many blizzards. Three things make up a blizzard: strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold. Birth of a blizzard. Snow starts when moist warm air meets with cold air. Clouds form, and the water in them freezes into snow. The winds whip the snow through the air. It becomes hard to see. Beating snow also makes air feel colder. This is called wind chill. Wind chill makes the body lose heat faster. Skin can freeze. Blizzard country. Blizzards can happen anywhere there is snow. The East Coast of the United States is one such place. Storms sometimes move up to the south, from the south. When they do, they may run into cold air moving down from Canada. These storms make lots of snow. Another type of storm comes from the west. These storms move fast. They bring strong winds and freezing cold, but not a lot of snow. Being prepared and staying safe. Long ago, people were surprised by storms. Today, people know more about weather. They can tell when and where blizzards will strike. They can get ready. They can make sure that they have enough food and water to last for days. People can then go home and wait out the storm. They can stay safe and warm. The best place to be in a blizzard is inside. In time, the storm will end. Then, it will be safe to have fun in the snow.
Good job.
No. Huh?
You did it. Perfect. You got all the stars.
I think I don't know if you can hear me because my mom's just baking a fish. Okay, let me get some paper. So, I'm just gonna want it. Oh my. The ear protection.
It's time to listen for initial sounds. Do you know? Find the missing initial sound that correctly spells the word.
Wind chill.
That's it.
Wind chill.
Let me write down.
Blizzard.
That's it.
Blizzard. Strike.
Very good.
Strike. Moist.
That's right.
Moist. Biting.
Very good.
Biting. Whip.
That's the right sound, but it doesn't correctly spell the word. That's it.
Whip.
What is the got?
Good job.
I couldn't do the sound counter. Now, this is gonna be hard.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Blizzard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. A rainbow.
Yes, that word has 6 sounds.
Blizzard.
Hit each sound maker to hear it say a sound from your word. Hit the next button when you're ready to move on. How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Wind.
Moist.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 sound maker.
How many sounds do you hear in the word? That word has 4
Strike.
sounds.
Strike. Which is gonna be a hard one or an easy one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again. 4 rainbows.
Good try. Let's listen to the word again.
Strike.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There, I think it put the 6 of them, right? Huh? I looked at this one, I don't know what's going on. I understand, remember? Let's go on final sound spelling. Look at
It's time to listen for final sounds. Find the missing final sound that correctly spells the word.
Strike.
That's right.
Strike.
I. Bro. No E. You kidding me? You kidding me?
Every word is. How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Wind chill.
Wind chill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Great! That word has 7 sounds.
Wind chill.
Hit each sound maker to hear it say a sound from your word. Hit the next button when you're ready to move on.
I.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Strike.
Only 5.
Yay! That word has 5 sounds.
Strike.
I.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Moist.
Moist. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Blizzard.
Blizzard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a full rainbow.
Yes.
No pink.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Biting.
Biting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. Can you?
Yay! That word has 5 sounds.
Biting.
How many sounds do you hear in the word?
Whip.
Whip. I'm thinking about 3 sounds. So put 3 sound makers. Well, technically a rainbow.
Yep. That word has
Secondary
3
color.
sounds.
Whip. Good job.
Wow, easy. Sound it out.
Are you ready to sound it out? Classic Sound It Out. Sound it out with cat and mouse. Sounds like it's time to play. Sound it.
Wait,
Click the sound blocks in the right order to spell your word correctly without waking the cat.
Moist.
Right. Oh. Right. Good. Good.
Moist.
we'll just do a.
Moist.
Bro, we can get their own cheese. And why do cats have cheese?
Strike.
This is gonna be a hard one.
Right. Right.
I.
Uh-oh. Good try. Listen for the sound that comes after
I
the
think
sound
awakened
the
it.
word.
Strike.
Right. Good. Right.
Strike.
I.
Strike.
Again.
Blizzard.
Right.
I'm scared.
Good. Good. Right. Good.
Blizzard. Wind chill.
Good. Good. Right. Good. 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 Right.
Wind chill. Whip.
Good. Right. Good.
Whip. Whip.
The ball just run. Why do ball just run?
Biting.
Good. Oops. Good try. Listen for the sound that comes after the sound in the word.
Biting.
Good. Right.
This is the E, right?
Right. Right.
Biting. Good job.
Not bad. Not bad. nhiều bài hơn.